Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Welcome to another episode of the Cryptonews Weekly Roundup. It's your host, Matt Zahab, and alongside Rachel Wolfson. Of course, I'm still coming in hot from Buenos Aires. I absolutely love this place. It is incredible. Rachel, great to see you as well. How are you doing this lovely afternoon?
Thanks, Matt. Yeah, so I'm coming in cold from Dallas. It's a bit chilly here. And I'm in Dallas for the North American Blockchain Summit, which has been a great event. Can't wait to do the coverage for Cryptonews. And I'm really excited to talk about the news this week.
Let's jump right into it. Folks, Rachel and I have been on a bit of a heater. We're going on about 5 predictions in a row. Last week, we said that Bitcoin would not hit 100K, but we did say it would hit a new all-time high. And what do we have on the table for us? We have a lovely plate of all-time highs from a bunch of different coins. Bitcoin is up 10% on the week too. Currently, as we are recording on Thursday afternoon, 96.7K. But earlier this morning, right around midnight, it did hit an all-time high of 98.34K. That is absolute bananas. Again, 98,000 per Bitcoin, all-time high. Wild, wild stuff. ETH is up 6.5% on the week to just under 3.3K per coin. Solana is up 18% to just under 250, sitting at 249. XRP being the biggest gainer of the week, which is very, very rare. I don't even think we've discussed XRP in a hot minute, is up 54% to $1.11. And lastly, Cardano also up big. Haven't been talking about Cardano much, up 47% on the week to 78 cents per coin. Again, Wednesday night, last night, Rachel, Bitcoin hit all-time high of 98.340, marking an all-time high. One of the biggest reasons why this happened was due to the IBIT ETF, which launched on Tuesday and had about 1.9 billion in notional exposure, which is absolute bananas. The action was dominated by 289,000 call options compared to 65,000 puts, which is a great ratio, signaling an absolutely bullish sentiment. Folks, got a lot of Bitcoin news this week. Rachel, throwing the ball over to your court. You wrote an incredible article that came out today or yesterday on Bitcoin reaching 100K. Why will that happen?
Thanks, Matt. Yeah, so the article came out earlier this week. It's about how Bitcoin will reach 100K soon. Please note, everyone, we're filming on Thursday, November 21st. So by the time this airs, Bitcoin may have already reached that milestone. It could definitely happen. But basically, I spoke with Daryl Natcher. He's the founder of Trend Finance, who said that Bitcoin will soon hit 100K due to Donald Trump's victory in the recent U.S. president election. Market sentiment has strengthened. He also believes that the current institutional framework will provide a strong foundation for Bitcoin's growth. Compared to previous cycles, Ten Aniking, founder and principal of Digital Capital Management, also explained that Bitcoin is increasing due to deflation, inflation in fiat currencies, fear of missing out or FOMO, and the fact that there's currently no controlling entity for the asset, along with growth of the internet and the fact that Bitcoin is easily transferable.
That is absolutely massive. Folks, moving forward on the Bitcoin news, we got a lot of it this week. Michael Saylor, of course, the chairman and CEO of MicroStrategy, is the sickest puppy on the planet right now. He is literally adding another $4.6 billion of Bitcoin to the stockpile. On Monday morning, he announced that they purchased an additional 51,780 Bitcoin worth $4.6 billion, which now brings the total MicroStrategy holdings to over 30 billion. That is absolutely insane. Again, they hold 331,000 Bitcoin. That is absolutely wild. MicroStrategy's Bitcoin stash, folks, their Bitcoin stash alone now exceeds the cash holdings of huge companies like Nike and Johnson & Johnson. Furthermore, they have also broken into the top 100 publicly traded companies in the USA, landing at 97th place. The milestone follows a remarkable 12% surge in the stock price, closing Tuesday at $430 per share. Absolutely crazy. And we got more Saylor news as well. Michael Saylor, the one and only chairman of MicroStrategy, is going to deliver a 3-minute presentation to the board of Microsoft. The board of directors of Microsoft is going to listen to Michael Saylor to hopefully allow them to put a bunch of their cash, the billions of dollars they have on hand, into Bitcoin. This is absolute bananas. Rachel, throwing the ball over to your court here as I'm out of breath. Marathon, one of the best companies in the publicly traded Bitcoin space as well, just announced a $700 million convertible note offering more Bitcoin as well.
Right, let's talk about it. Mara Holdings Incorporated revealed a $700 million private offering of convertible senior notes on Monday to support its strategy for acquiring Bitcoin and restructuring its operations. So this is another public traded company buying Bitcoin, something that we love to see. Another reason for the price of Bitcoin going up.
100%. And folks, digital asset inflows hit 33.5 billion year to date as weekly investments continue to surge. Last week, we had $2.2 billion coming in hot, which is a record-breaking $33.5 billion. This has never happened for any other industry. It is just going absolutely parabolic, and this is definitely proof that TradFi has fully bought into crypto. Rachel, got to move around from Bitcoin. We've talked way too much about Bitcoin this episode. Time to talk about Solana. Solana, great news for the Sol community as they have overtaken Ethereum as the top chain on Nansen.
Yeah, this is incredible. So Solana, also the token is SOL, overtook Ethereum, ETH as the most used chain according to Nansen's latest data. Nansen co-founder Alex Svadnik announced the milestone on an X post on November 18th. So Solana is now the #1 most used chain on Nansen. This is the first time in over 4 years that it has not been Ethereum. Solana has seen a substantial increase in user activity in recent weeks, reaching over 6.3 million active addresses in November, which is a new all-time high. So yeah, this is good stuff for Solana. Maybe it's time to buy Sol.
Good stuff for the Sol community. Again, the coin is ripping though. Speaking of coins that are ripping, we rarely give any face time to XRP. They've hit $1.11 this week. They've soared over 80% this week and are eyeing new highs for 2025. This is mostly due to speculation that the current SEC chair, Gary Gensler, who we are not the biggest fans of, is potentially going to resign. And of course, this has a massive, massive implication on Ripple's recent legal process. The last time XRP hit $1 was back in 2022. Great news for the Ripple community to finally see some positive stuff. Rachel, one of the biggest stories of the week was BONK. BONK goes absolutely parabolic and hits a new all-time high. Is meme coin season fully back?
BONK's price surge has dethroned Dog Whiff Hat as Solana's leading meme coin. The BONK price performance continues to fuel discussions about the direction of the altcoin market and the possibility of a big altcoin season on the horizon, which we definitely may see.
Yes, and speaking of altcoins, we have two huge meme coin pieces of news this week, Rachel. First and foremost, a trader turned $21,000 into 2.68 million in 4 days. Again, that is 4 days, folks. He turned 21K into 2.7K in 4 days with CHILLGUY, which is going absolutely parabolic right now. The token was created on Pump.Fun about a month ago, and it gained a shit ton of popularity after Peanut, which Rachel and I talked about last week, went parabolic. And the coin went mega viral on TikTok. This week, a bunch of non-Web3 folks, as we like to call them normies, purchased the coin. Things went absolutely crazy. Now, the founder of CHILLGUY, the head artist of CHILLGUY, is potentially looking into suing the community. I don't get why he would do this when the community has already said that they will create a wallet for him and give him millions and millions of dollars. It's probably more than he makes. It's almost definitely more than he makes. If I'm him, I'm taking a couple milli, buying a new house, and enjoying this. But again, maybe he can make more if he sues. C'est la vie. That was story number 1. Story number 2 of the week, which was also absolutely insane, was a school kid who created QuantCoin on Sol and live streamed it as he rugged for a profit of around $30,000. If he would have held his bags, it would be up to $4 million at its highest valuation. Absolutely crazy stuff. The kid also gave everyone the double middle finger, and he's just some chubby little kid who's clearly still in like grade school. Hilarious how this happens. And again, this was huge news this week. And Rachel, gonna throw the ball over to your court for another funny story of the week. Justin's son purchased the $6 million famous duct tape banana artwork. I don't get this. You're a lot more artsy than I am. You have better style than me. Maybe you can explain why the hell someone would do this.
Yeah, Matt, I think this is a great story to end the news of the week. So Justin's son purchased for $6 million the famous duct tape banana artwork. Saw the news today on Instagram. I thought it was perfectly fitting for Justin's son. Has Justin's son gone bananas? No, he is just being Justin's son here. So basically, the entrepreneur purchased the banana for a price far exceeding its $1 million to $1.5 million pre-sale estimate. He purchased it for $6 million. This suggests that we're definitely in a bull market, and I definitely see Justin's son doing this. I know Justin. This is definitely something that suits his personality. So this is just a great story to end the week on.
Folks, what's a week in crypto? Rachel and I have given you predictions the last 4 or 5 weeks in a row. Like I said, as we kicked off, we are on a bit of a heater. I'm going to give you another one. Again, this is the easiest no-brainer ever. Bitcoin will hit 100K by the next time we speak. It hit 98K earlier today / last night. 100K is a magnet. Once it hits 100, we're going to go parabolic. Can't wait to go parabolic with you guys. Strap on your spacesuits. We are going to the moon. Love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. As always, if you enjoyed this one, and I really hope you did, please do subscribe and hit that like button. It would mean the world to my team and I. Rachel, always love doing this with you. Hope you have an incredible week. And folks, we will see you on the next one.
Thanks, Matt. Thanks, everyone. Bye.